All right, we're solving some exponential equations, and we're able to, because of the way these are written, the way these are presented, we're going to be able to actually just use, like the bases are going to be, oh my goodness, we will change the bases so that they are the same, so we do not actually have to use logarithms to solve this. Good grief. All right, so when we do this, for number 28, I already see that the right side is 3 to the third power, so I'm going to look and see if I can change the 81. The 81 can be rewritten as 3 to the fourth power, and then we're still going to multiply that by, now here's the thing, we always get confused about this 1 over 27. Just stop and think about it. Normal 27 would be 3 to the third power, right? 3 times 3 times 3 would give me 27. Because it is 1 over 27, I just need to make it 3 to the negative, negative third power, sorry. We are still going to multiply that by a negative 2b. And that still equals 3 to the third power over here. So when you're doing this now, we've got 3 to the fourth times 3 to the, this will actually be 6b right there, equals 3 to the third. When we are multiplying two bases that are the same, we are going to add their exponents. So it's going to be 3 to the 4 plus 6b equals 3 to the third power. And so now we can just get rid of our bases, because you would take the log base 3 of both sides, and ultimately it really just means that your exponents are equal. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides, so I get 6b equals a negative 1, so b equals a negative 1/6. All right, shrinking this down. Oh, I didn't mean to shrink the whole thing down. I didn't think it was going to shrink. That's all right. So then number 29, you do the same thing. 29, I'm going to rewrite the 9. Well, actually, I'm not going to rewrite the 9. I think on the key I did rewrite the 9, but you don't have to. So I'm going to leave it as a 9. 9 raised to the negative 3n minus 3 equals, that's, oops, sorry, times. The 81 I'm going to rewrite as 9 squared. I need to put the wrist guard up there. There we go. 9 squared. You're still raising that to the, 3n plus 3 already. Okay. And that's going to equal, I'm going to raise this, this is going to be a 9 to the 0 power, because remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, so then this is 9 to the negative 3n minus 3, times 9 to the, it'll be a 6n plus 6, equals 9 to the 0. We're going to add the two exponents on the left. So a negative 3n plus a 6n is a 3n. A negative 3 plus a 6 is a positive 3. So that's 9 to the 0 power. 0. Our exponents are equal to each other. So 3n plus 3 equals 0. So 3n equals a negative 3. So we get n equals a negative 1. Okay, those are our two answers for 28 and 29.